All right, what's going on, y'all? DJI is promoting a new product in 1 minute and 15 seconds. Got three dudes holding up a paper airplane. That's what the commercial was on Twitter, right? You got that fucking astronaut at the beach, and I'm over here trying to figure out what are they gonna drop. Seems like they got the Mavic Mini 2 is about to drop. But I don't want to make any assumptions just yet. We're 50 seconds away from some type of drop from DJI. Here's the Mini 2. It's looking like a 4K smaller drone. It's like Mavic Air 2, but it's small. And like, I guess weightless is what they're promoting here. We're going to find out exactly what this thing is in like the next 20 seconds. November 4th, 2020. All right, y'all, here we go. And homie's fresh, wearing Yeezys too. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see it. Is it Mini 2? Pocket 2. Is that it? Are all these new? RS2. Looks like a gimbal. Mavic Air 2. They already have that. The RTK. None of this really looks all that new, though. Those two are new. That one is not. Yeah, so it looks like they dropped the DJI Pocket 2. They have these little pocket camera gimbals. It's like the camera that they have on some of these drones that DJI has been putting out. Like, it looks like it has a similar sensor to Mavic Air 2 and Pro. No, not the Mavic Pro, and Mavic Mini. I'm making a little video right now about this thing.
Oh, sorry.
It's all good. So here we have it, guys. DJI Pocket 2. Let's watch the video. It's pretty fucking small. Big sensor, wide shots. I don't know, y'all. It's a little bit of a letdown, in my opinion. I thought that they were going to maybe be dropping a whole new drone. Maybe a Mavic 3, but I guess this is cool. It's small, got a little touchscreen on there. I personally don't think I would have any need for it, or don't think I'll be buying it. How much does this thing cost? Let's see, just out of curiosity. $349 for the drone, or not for the drone. See, look, I'm over here thinking about drones. For the Pocket 2 and for the Creator combo, $500. I don't know, y'all. A tad bit disappointing, if you ask me. Let's see if DJI has tweeted anything else. It is 8 o'clock. Ah, there we go. So they are advertising Mavic Mini 2. This is cool, all right, because Mavic Mini 1 doesn't have OcuSync 2.0, I don't think. But it definitely is not 4K. So that's really cool to see such a small drone at 4K weighing less than 249 grams. Interesting. And this price point, I believe, is the same as Mavic Mini 1. It's $50 more. It's not bad, y'all. This one right here is not horrible. It literally is like a Mavic Air 2, but tiny. Got the little monitor hood. Mavic Air travel bag. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and watch this video real quick. What a great thing DJI is doing here with all the politics, the election and whatnot going on. Good thing that they dropped. I need something to look at. It's not election polls. So they got stabilization on here for this really small drone at 4K. Pretty cool if you ask me. Has really good wind resistance apparently. This may be something I might be interested in getting. At $600, you get the Fly More combo. I'm assuming the Fly More combo is going to be, the extra batteries and all that. Yep, so you get 2 extra batteries. You get a little case. Interesting, interesting. So that's it, guys. That is the new product that DJI just dropped. Let's go ahead and do a comparison. The Mavic Mini 2 versus the Mavic Mini. So they are the same weight. Mavic Mini 2 beats it out in flight time by 1 minute. Instead of a 10 km HD video, or instead of 4 km, it's 10 km this time. So more than double the transmission. Got the visual sensor and the precise hover. The big difference here, 4K camera instead of a 2.7K camera at the same exact weight. That's good. That is a very good move by DJI to put a little bit of a better camera in there. Looks like it even has a bit of a wider sensor. It is still a 3-axis gimbal, so the stabilization is the same. I thought it was going to have, maybe a bit of a better gimbal there. It's the same one. Simplified recording and editing at only $50 more. So the takeoff weight is less than 249 grams as opposed to Mavic Mini being right there. And it goes just a tad bit faster in sport mode, about 11 kilometers an hour faster. Okay, so the sensor is the same size. The big difference here is the 4K over the 2.7K at the small size that it's at. And that's really it, y'all. These are the main differences between Mini 1 and Mini 2. I don't know, guys. Y'all going to be getting this drone? Any other drones that y'all recommend? DJI is just consistently killing it with these drones. They have 78% of the market in drones right now. Incredible work that they've been doing ever since, I think, like 2015. They just took over the game. Parrot is a good one also. You got Unique, but DJI, they really just run laps around everybody. Is there any drone that you guys would recommend? You guys going to be buying the Mavic Mini? Let me know in the comments. This is DJI's big new drop. I thought they might actually be dropping a big paper airplane or an astronaut. Guess it's a Mavic Mini, guys. All right. I'm going to go back to watching the election, guys. Y'all stay safe and fly safe, my friends.